Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how I like to make this Ghanaian spinach stew, and I'm going to pair it with plantain and some other ingredients. So for this dish I use plantain, avocado, sardine, eggs, and salted fish. So those are basically the optional ingredients, but to make the stew itself you will need onions, Scotch bonnet, salt, tomatoes, red palm oil, and spinach. The first step is to cook the spinach. Pour a little bit of water over the spinach. Cover the pan with its lid and cook it very briefly until it shrinks. I use salted cod, which is an optional ingredient. Pour boiling hot water on it and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. I do this to get rid of the excess salt. I will be eating the stew with plantain, so here I am peeling the plantain. In my pan I have the plantain, the eggs, Scotch bonnet, and tomato. Add some salt for the plantain and cook it over medium fire. Slice the onion. Take the fish out of the water and remove the bone and the skin. So here I'm cooking half of the onions and fish in the palm oil. I do this to flavor the palm oil, and I'll be adding this to the stew later on, which gives the stew a nice crunch. So here I'll be blending the remaining onion, Scotch bonnet, and tomato. I'm adding a little bit of salt to help blend it. So what I did here is optional too. I added a little bit of the fish and blended it with the tomato sauce. At this point you can add the spinach. Lastly, add the palm oil and mix it with the stew. So that is the stew, and I will go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.